Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you the Eksa AI powered wireless headset. This was gifted to me to do this unboxing and review, so that's what we're doing here. Let me go ahead and open this box up and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's pull these out. Got a nice little carry bag here. Lay that out for you over here. And pull this out. Okay, get it out of the packaging here. There we go. So here's the little wireless dongle, and we've got a USB-C charging cord here. Okay, so this is a replaceable earmuff. This is kind of a nylon type earmuff. Might sweat less. This is kind of a fake leather type soft, so if it was hot, this would cause you to sweat. So you can turn it clockwise this way and take this off, and then you can just put this on there, line it up on the little tracks. Let's see here. Get it lined up. There we go. And then put it on. So you can change those out there. It's a Bluetooth wireless headset, so you can use that to connect it to a laptop that doesn't have Bluetooth, or you can connect it to your smartphone. The real question is how good does it perform? So what I'm going to do is run some different tests, connecting to my smartphone, to my computer, doing some audio recording, and I'll come back and I'll give you an opinion on it when I get done with those tests. So let me get at those and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with this thing after having tested it for a while, and I'm just going to tell you what I thought about it. So overall, it's a pretty decent little product. You know, very comfortable to wear. If you were going to wear it all day, I think you could wear it. It wouldn't hurt. It didn't hurt me or anything. My ears. It felt very comfortable to wear. And almost like it wasn't there. You know, it functioned well, connected Bluetooth to my phone, to my laptop. You know, I have no trouble with connectivity. All that worked really good. All the buttons functioned on it very well. In the arena of audio, it is perfectly usable audio, very good audio for just standard old stuff. For me, as a person who does video editing and, you know, content creation, production, I may be a little more picky on things than most people. I wouldn't by no way call myself a Hollywood professional of any of that sort, but I do like to hear quality audio. And while this is perfectly good audio for what I would call voice and talking and stuff like that, it wasn't the depth and range of a normal quality audio that I like to hear out of my professional headsets and stuff. So while it was perfectly acceptable audio, it wasn't really high quality audio. The microphone seemed to work fine. I talked to people on the phone, had several conversations, even did a little dubbing with it and everything, and it was totally acceptable. But again, it just seemed like the audio lacked body. It was heavy towards the bass, and if just slightly ever muffled, you know, kind of like talking through a pillow or a piece of cotton. There was kind of a muffled sound to it. It seemed to be lacking the mid-tones and the treble a lot, whereas the bass stood out a lot, made you sound a lot more bassy in your voice in both listening and in recording. You know, and if that's not a problem, this is a totally fine little product to get. Like I said, I'm a little more pickier on audio quality than most people because I I'm a content creator and I create videos for the internet, and I demand just a little bit more out of things, but perfectly fine for somebody talking on the phone and having a conversation. It would be just fine for that, and seemed to be. I walked outside, there was a little wind. When walking outside and recording with it, you couldn't hear my footsteps, so it does have some noise cancellation to keep ambient noise from filtering into your conversation, and that's very good for a headset. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later. Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.